What's going on, guys? Welcome back. So we did install a catch can on the 1.8T, and now we about to go ahead and replace the stock manifold with the custom one that we have made last week. So we about to go ahead and do that right now, and probably go for a couple pull to see the difference, before and after. So hey, here we go. So we just got done removing the manifold. We about to go with the custom made one. Yo, this nigga got a bazooka. Here it is. So we about to put this on right now. So in the process of me installing the bigger manifold, I'm gonna go ahead and delete all these shit. See all that? You don't need any of that. So all these shit's gonna go. Alright, so we got the manifold in. Only problem is this is not, it doesn't fit, like it's slightly off. So we're probably gonna have to cut it and put it at a different position. But right now we're gonna see what we can do to make it work. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna use a different pipe. My boy Manny gonna weld it. So we pretty much we're gonna use part of this, but we're gonna use it straight right here, all the way down. Meantime, check this out. This guy right here is new to the turbo gang.
Oh my God, you had to say that, right?
He's brand new.
It's all right, 'cause I'm coming for you. You're the first person I'm coming for.
Oh man, why they don't like the Audi, man?
First person. Oh man, look, you made me mess up my sticker. Hey, here we go. I should have cleaned the surface first, but who cares?
Give you 20 horsepower right there.
20 horsepower, bruh. 20?
Nah, 360. You gonna make 360 horsepower.
It's shaving 3 minutes. It's shaving three seconds and 60 milliseconds off this shit.
All right.
And the sticker not even gonna stay up there. Keep coming off. I hate my life.
Why you gotta rain?
That's what I'm saying, bro. Why does it have to rain, man?
We could probably break that bracket too.
Cause if I get that thing out of the way, I could get it over there like that.
If you beat the Hellcat without beat it the way it is, come race the Civic!
Alright, go around that.
Oh, let's go! Let's go!
Oh, shit.
Oh, yo! These niggas about to go in it.
I need to get the GoPro.
Alright, so everything is back in. The only problem we had was we needed to check valves because the car was stalling at idle. And when coming to a stop, that shit was stalling. So we put the check valve back in it. And right now we're making a fitting for the turbo so we can run this line for the boost controller, so we can run it to the turbo. That way we don't have all these vacuum on top of the engine. So, and also while we took it on the test drive, the power steering reservoir, it took a shit. So we kind of JB welded it. So let's hope that it's gonna hold. And we're gonna go for a spin, and we're gonna We're gonna let you guys know how it is.